At number 1, we have the Lenovo Legion 9i Gen 9. This is the best Lenovo laptop you can buy on the market and stands out with its unparalleled gaming performance, powered by Intel's Core i9-14900HX processor and NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4090 GPU. The laptop features 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and dual 1TB SSDs in RAID 0 configuration, delivering exceptional speed for both gaming and productivity tasks. The 16-inch mini LED display offers a 3200 by 2000 resolution with a 165 Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant colors and smooth visuals. Its HDR capability and 1200 nits of brightness ensure exceptional image quality across all content types. Performance-wise, the Legion 9i Gen 9 excels in both gaming and creative workloads. The laptop consistently achieves high frame rates in demanding titles, even with ray tracing enabled. Its innovative liquid cooling system helps maintain optimal temperatures during intense gaming sessions, though fan noise can be noticeable under heavy loads. Built with die-cast magnesium, the chassis provides durability while keeping weight competitive. Connectivity includes Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, USB-A ports, and an SD card reader. The laptop also features Lenovo's LA3P AI chip, which dynamically optimizes performance based on usage patterns. While battery life remains limited during gaming sessions, the 330-watt GAN charger provides fast charging capabilities. The combination of top-tier components, advanced cooling, and premium display technology makes the Legion 9i Gen 9 a formidable gaming laptop that doubles as a capable workstation. So that sums up my top 5